your brake pad, brake band, and replace them. Okay, so this Nissan Versa 2009 sedan. It applies to any other car. Same process. First of all, you get your wheel spanner, remove this four bolts, nuts. Okay, sorry. And then make sure you put it under the car as a parking, just in case the jack slips. This could support. Okay, it's better, or you can even pack it with any stone. This is from the local, easy to find. Okay, this is more important because on the highway you may not see a stone to park your vehicle, but this one is available because they say in the wheel. Just put it under so that when the vehicle slips from the jack, this will support. Okay, take note. And then you come. So I want to change this brake pads at the front. It's making noise. So you get your spanner. Usually is 14. It may differ depending on the model of car or type of car. So you strike the knot here, and then there's another knot here. Okay. You don't need to remove the hydraulic fluid from it. No, you don't need. So there you go. Just shake it slowly, and then it's out. So put it at a safer place, because when it drops, this may tear. So you can either tie a rope around here and then hang it somewhere here for safety. But for demonstrative purposes, and the same person holding the camera, I don't want to drop the camera to tie it, so let me show you. So these are the brake pads. You can see they are a little bit worn out from this side. This side is okay, but you don't have to change one side and leave the other one. You should change both for safety. Okay, how to remove it? You put this side and it's out. So easy, huh? So easy. You come to the other side, same procedure. Unfortunately, I cannot see because I'm holding the camera at the same time. Ah, it's off. It's off. Okay. So like I said, this is a little bit okay. You can see. You can see. So it's better to change both for safety reasons. Okay. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay.